Earlier today, we filed a lawsuit in United States District Court for the Southern District of New York against Apple and 5 different book publishers: Hachette, HarperCollins, Macmillan, Penguin, and Simon & Schuster.
The U.S. Department of Justice has sued Apple and 5 ebook publishers over colluding to price fix ebooks. Now, what does this mean for Apple? Well, they're not going to get out of the ebook business, but they are going to get some competition again from Amazon, which is the reason why they entered into these agreements in the first place. Amazon had been selling ebooks for $9.99 until Apple reached this agreement with the ebook publishers to raise that price to about $13 or $14. Now, Amazon can go back and reduce those prices again because of a settlement reached with 3 of the publishers and the Department of Justice. They have to tear up all the contracts that they had with Apple and Amazon and renegotiate new legal and fair contracts. That means that Apple is going to start to face some price pressure again. Now, those ebooks may be cheaper on Amazon than they are on Apple, or they may even be cheaper on Apple than they are on Amazon. But either way, ebook prices for consumers are likely to come down. The concern is whether or not all the publishers are going to re-enter the ebook market, because this is not a market before the iPad came out that they were really pleased to be in. Amazon had a basic monopoly on this market and was undercutting the actual cost that it took to make the ebooks. For Apple, they're still litigating this and could eventually reach a settlement or could go to court. We'll have to see what plays out, but the way that the Department of Justice is talking about it, they said that they're going to pursue this very, very vigorously.